Hey guys, just a little setup here. We've got our power supply, we've got our exhaust cutout set up here, we've got a Y. We're going to install this into the boosted LS right there, and because I want to put a tailpipe because it's too damn noisy. So that way we can reduce back pressures when we need it, and when we're turning up the boost to the higher boost levels, and then we can have our cutout here that you know, will reduce our back pressure. So I'll show you how it works. It's just a momentary switch. That on. When you want to be quiet, the vehicle, you just hit it again, it shuts. So anyways, I'm going to configure this exhaust, get this in there before the muffler, and then add some more scenes, guys. Alright guys, that's the job for the day. Thanks. Alright guys, so we're just in here. We're going to start it up with the, of course we've got our exhaust cutout switch here, so on means it's open, off means it's closed. So we'll start it up. I'll take you outside so you can see the tailpipe. Screen right there. RPM gauge, mile per hour, speed. Yeah, it's working. That's good. Everything here is working. Got that there. I'll show you the tailpipe right now. Hang on. It's a little bit quieter, but not much. Quieter, for fuck's sake, so we'll open it, see what it sounds like. Some exhaust phone. Oh yeah, it's a lot louder with that. Yeah, you can hear the exhaust phone with it open. So that's just. You see how it gets quieter? So now it's off. Yeah, the problem is it's a Delta Flow 40 muffler, so it's still pretty fucking noisy. But again, better than it was, right? With a tailpipe, so that's okay. Alright guys, yeah, I just wanted to show you that exhaust cutout. It's working, and we got our 5-inch dash up here, so that's good. That's working too. So yeah, should be ready to go. Coolant temperature is good. What the fuck is my oil pressure? Learning. Oh, okay. So there we go guys, just a little quick video for the day. Again, Summit Racing exhaust cutout. There we go.